Well, good Wednesday afternoon. This is Rich, and what looked like it was going to be a somewhat bullish day to corn, and probably pretty well supported in the other grains too, turned out to be a big day for the red ink. Most of that led by strength in the dollar. The dollar up 1.416 here today. Most of that strength due to the weakness in the euro. More concern once again about Italy, and that seems like an every other day type of a thing, but about every other day we see the grain markets go up, go down. Today was the down day. Now within that down day we did see some strength in some markets. The Minneapolis wheat certainly was a beacon, I guess. It was up 5.5 cents on the nearby contract with strength there due to falling stocks of spring wheat. Kansas City wheat sold off hard due to the increase in stocks of the hard spring or the hard winter wheat. So that spread was definitely a focus of the trade. Elsewhere, we did see strength, I guess if you want to call it that, in old crop corn relative to soybeans, relative to new crop corn. We did see buying in the old crop months there, led by the December contracts. So within some of the down day, we did see some positioning of some of these commodities based on the report numbers we had this morning. That report certainly was a little bit supportive to corn, I think, bearish to beans, somewhat mixed on the wheat depending on which class it was, and cotton probably really a non-event, and that's really the way it kind of settled out. Here at the close tonight we had Dece corn down 4.5 cents at 6.56. Should note December 12 corn down 17 3/4 at 5.96.5. November soybeans at 11.75 3/4. That was down 19.5. November 12 beans down 19 at 12.04.5. December cotton down 0.44 at 97.18. And December 12 cotton down 0.94 at 96.54. The rice down 42.5 points at 15.28.5 on the November contract. Looking at the wheat, December Chicago wheat down 14 at 6.43. December Kansas City down 25.5 at 7.13. December Minneapolis up 5.5 at 9.51 3/4. I mentioned the dollar being sharply higher. Crude oil actually did a pretty good job of finishing only down 94 cents a barrel at 95.86. It had been down over $2 at one point in time. Gold down $28 an ounce. Silver down over $1 an ounce. The Dow finished pretty sadly down 391 points at 11,732. Still more economic concerns here as we work ahead. Today's a Thursday, and you would have to think, based on the close we had today, depending on what happens with the dollar, maybe we'll see some bounce back here in the markets tomorrow. So again, but we'll watch the dollar for leadership once again. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow.